Good evening, everyone. This is HB Maverick. We're at the monthly Minden Pizza Factory car show. We have some nice classic cars to see, and let's take a look at them right now. Thank you for joining us here. The Minden Pizza Factory car show occurs on the last Wednesday of every month. If you're in the area, come on down. Be sure to slam that like button, share this video on your social media, subscribe to the channel, and we will see you on the next adventure.